Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be running through a site called 5 billion sales, and we're going to do a quick review of the site. We're going to find out exactly how you can earn money with it, and also stay tuned right to the very end because there's some secrets I want to reveal to you that you really must know before you go and join. Okay, so stay tuned right to the very end for those. So without further ado, let's hop over to the actual website, go through it, show you exactly what it's all about, how you can earn money, and how it's going to be the next big thing on the internet. Okay, so today we are looking at a site called 5 billion sales, guys. Okay, before you start posting any comments and that down below, make sure you watch this video right to the very end. Like I say, there are going to be some secrets revealed that you're going to want to know about this company before you go and join. So stay tuned right to the very end of this video. Okay, so let's have a look. And as you can see from the front page, this company is in pre-launch and it's actually going to launch in just 29 days' time. So that's very exciting. And obviously it's saying don't miss out on this opportunity. There's a short video there, doesn't really tell you a lot. It's only 30 seconds long. So I wouldn't even bother watching that, to be honest. But here's a little bit more information. You can earn your share of a 500 billion commission. Doesn't really tell you what that's in, but it's a little bit vague. It says we've monetized existing internet activities that 5 billion people do every day. You can join as an affiliate and promote our free service that pays its users $400 passive income. So you're going to get paid $400 a year passive income just for referring someone to their free service. It also says affiliates get paid $100 commission to give the service away to users. So that's obviously on top of the $400 that they're going to give you as well, by the sound of it. And it says this is powerful, change the world, earn big money, join and build your affiliate network. It says here, affiliates are not paid to join our affiliate program. And it says join us on Telegram for updates. So you don't have to obviously pay, and you are not paid to actually go and join either. So if we scroll back down, obviously it says anyone can do this. And it says here, join as an affiliate early, earn more, launching autumn 2021. Okay, so you can earn from 2 unique revolutionary services with multiple revenue streams. Opportunity of a lifetime. You get one of these, don't miss it. Okay, so it says service 1, we are revolutionizing the internet. Remove the power of trillions of dollars from the big players that run the web and give it back to every person who uses it. Now I'm all for that, definitely. So our first Pioneer web service is free. Okay, so it provides every internet user with the opportunity to earn $400 to use the internet without doing anything differently. And it's an opportunity for 5 billion people to earn a passive income without investing a single dollar. And this is yours to earn $100 commission recurringly yearly for each user you introduce. So affiliates can become users and earn $400 after service 1 is launched too. So like I say, you can get $100 for referring someone and then $400 if they actually use service 1. So we've now got service 2. This is the revolutionary service that offers the powerful opportunities for 1 billion websites to generate 100 times more profit and share it with you as commissions. So basically what they're saying is that the websites are going to actually produce the more income and then they're going to share it with us. So this is an opportunity to exceed, give others the power to earn extra cash from existing activities and generate for a long-term ongoing income. It is unique, it is powerful, it is your opportunity. So it all looks good so far. Obviously, you're going to earn $100 for every person you bring in. And obviously, if they use service 1, you're going to get $400 for them using a free service in their service 1. So this is a first, it says, and now I'm going to skip through some of this. Obviously, pre-launch gives you the chance to build a powerful network. It's get in early as pre-launch affiliate today. It's free. Okay, so build a bigger income by referring others into the level below you. Okay, if you don't, someone else will. Don't miss out. So it's obviously all about saying not missing out. You want to get in now. There's a lot of these companies that are obviously in pre-launch will say that because they want to obviously build the numbers. So nothing new there. It says your referrals can do the same. You can get paid overrides of 16 levels deep with an unlimited width to that. Okay, so it's a bit like a multi-level marketing by the sound of it. But like I say, I've dived deeper into this, and I'm going to show you shortly some of the secrets behind the company that you're going to want to actually look at before you go and join us. So don't do anything yet. Don't post any comments yet. Wait until I've done the whole video, and then I'd love to hear your comments as well and questions below. So this is all about getting in early. So let's continue down on the website. It says here how affiliates work. Join for free. Our services are a secret until launch to prevent copycats. Okay, so join the launcher affiliate program for free. Get a back office and manage your network. You get obviously a unique referral ID that you can actually refer people to. And like I say, it goes down 16 levels. So they're starting to repeat themselves a little bit here. It says here your network will be given a 5-day countdown to launch day. Now, obviously, we are on day 29 from launch day, according to the website. So on the first day of countdown, educational materials will be loaded into your back office. 1 day before launch, your network will be migrated to the launch website and access granted. So it looks like this website is not going to be the actual website going forward. They're going to migrate it to a different website. Seems a bit strange, but there we go. So on launch day, your network can introduce users to the service, earn commissions, and generate overrides. So the commission structure, like we said here, everyone has their own level 0, top of their own network. So it basically means that they're top of their own network, but obviously someone's referred me, so I'm not top of the network. So I don't know quite how that works. Obviously, you can build it 16 levels and below in their network. Everyone gets paid commissions for their own activity, and everyone gets paid overrides from all 16 levels of their network. Affiliates can join as free. Service one can join as a free. Affiliates can join as a free Service One user after launch and earn $400 passively to do this. So again, that just really goes through the 2 different services. Again, Service 1 override is going to be $5 recurring down 16 levels. And then you've got Service 2 commissions are going to be a $10 one-off bonus, recurring profit share of between $200 and $1,000, which is quite a lot of money. And there's a service override on that, $1 once one-off, plus recurring profit share of $10 to $50 down 16 levels. So, okay, so this is the exciting bit. This is how much you could earn, guys. So if you refer 2 people into level 1 and all 16 levels also refer just 2 people, that would be over 130,000 affiliates. Wow, exactly. So if you reach the 130,000 downline affiliates, got 4 users to use Service 1 today, that would mean 130,000 times 4 times $1, that's $520,000. That's crazy money, guys. Really is. So again, it says why join. This basically goes through other stuff. Now, I've gone through a lot of stuff here. Like I say, I dived a lot deeper. So let's go and dive a lot deeper into this and see what we can actually find. Okay. Okay, so it says here we are launching, we're in pre-launch 29 days. When I actually was looking up this, I actually got this sent through on my LinkedIn here. Someone actually was asking me to join, which is what I actually went and had a look at the opportunity before joining. I also went and viewed some of the videos on YouTube, and there were quite a lot of videos here about $5 billion as well. So check those out as well. But a lot of these, like this one here, I actually looked at this. This was about a month ago. So it's about mid-October it was actually done. We're mid-November now. And this lady was saying that, or obviously on the website, it was saying it was going to launch at the end of October. So that is my first red flag, guys. It said it was going to be launching at the end of October. It's now saying it's going to be launching mid-December. So that is not a good sign, because straight away they don't appear to be launching when they say they're going to be launching. That just could be a blip and they're not quite ready. Who knows? So what I'll be doing, I'll be keeping a close eye on this and seeing whether they do launch in 29 days' time. So a few other things, obviously, we go through. Obviously, they're talking about different commissions here. $400 passive commission income from a free service. That, again, where are they going to get this money from to actually pay you your commissions? If it's a free service, and obviously they say on service 2 that the website owners are going to pay you, well, why would they pay you to actually do it? It's a little bit of a grey area, that as well, guys. And to say you're going to actually earn $520,000 just for referring 2 people down the system, well, again, that is big money and it has big claims there, guys. And I always take those with a little bit of pinch of salt. That's why I'm doing more due diligence on this site. I tried to go and find out exactly who is behind the $5 billion sales. Now, what I have found is the company here. This is all I could find. They've referred to as either the company, we, us, or an agreement refers to billionsales.com. 22 Wenlock Road, London. So it's basically based in the UK. Okay. So I'm in the UK. So what I did, I went and done just a single, a quick research of that address. So I put that address into the search engines, and as you can see, this address, this came up here, and this is on Rightmove. Now, Rightmove is like an estate agent. Okay, so I clicked on that, and obviously we came across to this here, and this is an office block of which you can rent just a little bit of the office block. So it's like you can just rent literally just an area for yourself to actually go and do business meetings, to a workspace, that sort of thing. So again, this is a red flag to me, guys, because this basically says they have put this address in purely and simply because no one can trace them still, and also because you're not going to be working just from a desk. It's not going to be just one person. They're building themselves up to a massive company. They've got unique products, that sort of thing. How they're going to actually provide those just by working in this single space? They're not. They're really not going to be able to do it. So I thought I'd check out the actual website a bit more. So I came over to the site called who.is, and I put in 5billionsales.com. Okay, now this gives you when the actual website is registered. So this was registered back in May 2021, and they've actually expires in 2023. So they've done it for 2 years, guys. So not very long at all. You can do web domains for 5 years, that sort of thing. So if you scroll down further down, this is the registrar data. Now, a couple of things that jump out at me. The first one, the organisation, privacy service provided by Withheld for Privacy. So they're not giving you who the organisation is who own this domain name. That's private. But also the address and the city is Reykjavik. So that is not the UK. So again, that is going to be another red flag to me. So remember, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you at the end whether I think you should join this or whether you shouldn't. So, but before we do that, let's quickly go on to a couple more things that I found out. I also went across to a site called Trustpilot, and again, there are some reviews on here already, guys. So I clicked on the 5billionsales.com. Now, first thing is the Trustpilot profile here has never been claimed. So that presumes that there aren't anybody around to actually answer any questions. And as you can see here, they've got 11 reviews. I mean, 55% of them are excellent, but like this review here, guys, it says the launch is now and it's 5 stars. Well, yeah, that's not a review. That's ridiculous. This guy is more to my liking, done on the 1st of November. Looks like a scam and a massive one too. The company is not registered. The website is hiding its identity on who.is. It's using a cheap platform. It's not exact. There's no exact dates for any launch if it happens in the first place. And the wording is typical scammers promise to make you rich. And I totally agree with all that reviewer has put there. But like I say, there are various things on this website that I don't like. I don't like the way that the owners are not telling you anything at all about themselves, who they are, and also they're not actually telling you about the actual product either. And like I say here, they're actually saying our services are secret until launch to prevent copycats. Now, the way you prevent a copycat is you actually you get a piece of paper that basically says what you have, your unique program, service, or whatever is ours, and you cannot actually copy it. So in the UK, we have patents and that sort of thing, and those are used worldwide, guys. So again, that's it's not correct. And why would you not want people to know what services you're going to use? In my view, I'm going to come straight out off the fence and I'm going to say this is probably a scam, guys. And I wouldn't join it. They're obviously asking for quite a lot of information when you join. Some of these scam companies literally just want your name and email, but these actually want straight away from off the bat, they want your address as well, telephone number, and you have to confirm obviously different bits and pieces as well. So what I would do is I would have a look at it yourself, do some due diligence, obviously watch this video and pass this video on to other people that are thinking about going to join it, and wait the 28 days, 29 days before the launch. That is what they're saying. They're going to be launching in 29 days. You're not going to miss out a lot in 29 days. If you're not there at the big launch, you can still earn money from this. If they're saying what they're saying, you could go in and you could get a big team behind you once it's launched, and you could start earning big bucks if it's true. So I would just stay clear of it until it's launched, and then you can obviously get a bigger understanding of what it is, and also the services will then be revealed, and you'll be able to know exactly what it's all about. That's what I say, and that's what I would be doing. Okay, right, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously give us the big thumbs up. Don't forget to let us know in the comments below if you've got any questions. I'll try and answer them. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. Make sure you watch this video next, and we'll see you on the next video.